Good afternoon, everyone. This is Henry, and as we get into tonight's video newsletter, the topic came to me as I was working to get some ideas together for tonight's broadcast, and it was the thought of, can all of us, however many of you are viewing this YouTube video, pursue the same idea and we all make money? It's I think kind of a harder thing sometimes, the bigger the crowd is. I think also the closer you get to expiration, right? I think it's sometimes easier to call a market, 12 or 18 months out than it is to call it just a couple of days. But in this case, I do want to look at a trade that is just a couple of days out, and we're talking about it here in Apple. I think there's kind of two divisions of traders, some that will really feel lost without a chart and need the visual application of price. And then there's the other side where they're really just thinking about the numerical value, whatever the stock happens to be trading at. And in this case, I think, considering the numerical piece of it is a little bit more helpful, right? Because to look at this and say, you're extended off the 21 EMA, you're extended by so many different metrics, is kind of to state the obvious. But does that really help us guide direction into Friday? And I would say that it does not. More so what we want to think about is just the value itself. So if we come back over and take a look at Apple, the trade that I wanted to bring you for this Friday is the idea of the iron fly. Now, I say the iron fly, there's actually a few ways of going about this. And the first way that you want to think about it is through the sale of the straddle. So if we look at the sale of the straddle, that's going for $5.37. So let's just say that you filled this idea for $5. Do you think by Friday that Apple will trade either above $295 or under $305? Well, then this is worth your consideration. Now, that is a little tough to offer out to you because we do have a product that is trading at a new lifetime high. And when you're in this blue sky territory, products can continue to just keep ripping, and I suppose we could close the week at 307 or better, at which point, this trade would incur a loss. Or can you imagine if the trade went to 325, just to talk through risk with you, that'd be a very serious consideration. But we start the trade idea by pricing this out, and then you can just buy protection. So all the iron fly is the sale of the straddle, and then let's just look at buying something right about $10 wide. So if I buy the 310 call, and then I buy the 290 put, you'll see that this does cut down on the credit. So we're now sub $5, but we also have defined risk. So this is going to take up less margin. It is going to make it easier to hold if Apple really does want to test some of those upper thresholds. But this is an idea that I think all eyes are going to be on into Friday. I think Apple has some real potential to close or pin on Friday at that 300. And that's an idea that I think you can take in, 80 cents at a minimum. And then if you can really get it all the way into Friday, it could be good for a couple of bucks. So I wanted to bring that to you. And if short duration pinning type trades aren't really your thing, well then let me bring you Goldman Sachs. Goldman Sachs is the very much other side of this coin. We're at maybe 950 for Friday. It could waffle about. It could pull back into 920, and I still think that would be a very good opportunity to buy. You'll notice we've got this squeeze in place. We have a really good looking weekly trend, and that's going to be something more where I would have you position out like 90 or 100 days and see if you can take Goldman up into about 1040. So it's a couple different ideas for a couple different trading plans. I hope you find that helpful in your pursuit of the rest of these, and we'll see you at the next update. Hey traders, this is Henry with simplertrading.com. I wanted to thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful, and if so, be sure to click the like and subscribe buttons down below. If you would like to also see me putting these ideas into action and trading my own account live in front of you, be sure to sign up at simplertrading.com, and I hope to see you in the chat room sometime soon.